Good morning, everybody. Mrs. Spatola here, and here we are with our study guide, our mid-unit review for operations with fractions. This part of our review for this unit is going to be for addition and subtraction and some of the other concepts that we've been working on in this unit. So here are the answers. Don't forget, on the left side is going to be notes and information, whereas on the right side is going to be the answer. Please pause the video as needed and check your work. Here's the top part. And as we scroll down, here is the bottom part. So pause and check your answers. Hope you did well. And here we have a look at the next page. Again, just going over the answers. Please make sure if you have any questions, you contact me through Google Classroom or through email, but Google Classroom is the best. And don't forget, over here on the left side, there are examples and notes so that if you have any questions or for some reason you're not getting the right answers, you can check. Also, please make sure as we continue down, pause is needed. You should be checking everything now at this point with your calculator. If you're not coming up with the right answer, you should be looking back at your work and trying to figure out, well, what is it that I did wrong? Okay, down here we have 17 and 18. We have two more word problems. So pause and check. And here is the last page with your answers. Some of the work here is provided. So take a look. If you're having a difficult time borrowing and subtracting fractions, here are some notes here. Please look at the examples and look at the work. Try to see what you're doing wrong if you have any questions. As we go down, number 22, the work has been provided for you. For 23, 24, and 25, just the answers have been provided. So check your work. When you come back to class, please come with questions. And before you know it, tomorrow we're going to be starting multiplying and dividing fractions. This is Mrs. Spatola wishing you a great day. And remember, always be kind.